Well, here we go. Gonna start our little adventure. Congratulations on getting the brand new Prusa printer. We'd like to take this moment to thank you for buying the printer directly from the author, Joseph Prusa. You have supported further development, and we will do our best to help you start printing ASAP. Cool. Bunch of links and ways to get the information. Next up, 3D printing handbook. Color pictures, I like it. Very handy, very nice. Assembly instructions. This is one of the things that I think makes the company highly respected, because they have really good documentation, step by step. And then there's also an online version of this with comments that can actually help you. And there's another surprise there, a pack of stickers. Cool. Everyone is a maker, only I am a printer. Prusa. Cool. Alright, next up, I believe that is the steel sheet. I don't remember if I ordered an extra one or not at this point, so looks like the checkout results for the machine. They tested various parts. They all came out okay. Hot end. Heat bed. Okay. So they have a spec. So that's cool. Alright, and then we've got complicated diagram here. Sort of a 2D version of a 3D world. Alright. Wants me to pull this open. Okay. That comes off. Open it. Get into the inner sanctum here. And I guess first up is some basic filament. Box of filament. Galaxy silver. Cool. Take that. PSU Delta, so it looks like a Delta power supply unit. Power cord for USA. Yep. And Prusa Research Motor Kit. Put that there. Put my glasses over here. And this one is called a Y-axis. And looks like a aluminum extrusion, some kind of extrusion maybe. And this is a, I'm not sure. Part of the mystery, right? Part of the fun is the mystery of what's all involved in this kit. This one is fasteners and ELE, I don't know, maybe element? Don't know. We'll know by the end of this process. And let's see, plastic parts set orange. Yeah, I wanted orange and black. I don't like the all black. And then we have the frame and HB set, which I think is heat bed. Yeah, heat bed. Sorry for the lack of focus there. Okay. Okay, since I shuffled the parts around a little bit, this is the entire contents of the box, including the box itself. So, motor kit. All right, so why don't we start here on the right? Oh yeah. Some wiring and some stepper motors. Looks like a threaded rod. Got some desiccant in there. So it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stepper motors. Okay. That one's a little hard to open. Let me see if I can do this next one here. This is the Y-axis parts. Screws in a bag. Well labeled. I really like that. Having recently put together a brand I won't mention, you know, on the low end of the price scale, very popular, and it's a decent printer, but putting it together was kind of a pain because things weren't labeled properly, or I would say in English very well. So this is a little bit more involved because this is a kit that's not partially assembled, I mean, as far as I can tell. Spare parts, I like that. Some alcohol wipes. Some kind of cord, looks like a USB. Yep. The LCD. Yep. Some tools, hand tools. Alright, some kind of grease, lubricant, glue stick, extruder box. It's got a fan, hot end, wiring. Got some, what are those called? Forget, straps, I guess. Nylon straps. And ELE, electricity. I'm gonna go with electrical. Looks like the board, maybe. One of the boards, main board, maybe. Okay. Having never seen one of these kits, so all new for me. Here's the parts, sweet. Orange and black. Yep. And I'm interested, I haven't really seen a PETG printed part. I've been printing a lot with PLA, so that'll be interesting to kind of note the difference between that and PLA. There's a rear pit. These are the parts for the back of the printer. And this is sealed up, so I'm not sure exactly what that is. It's probably some supporting brackets. Power supply. Switch. And the filament and the steel sheet. Okay, so that's just a quick unboxing and more to come. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, please hit the notification bell and hit subscribe, and I'll see you online. Thank you.